Cheyenne, and I'm back with another video.
How you doing?
In my last video, guys, you seen that I had an epic fail of an unboxing. So today I got all my stuff from Amazon. I sent the items that I didn't get right back, and I reordered. So hopefully this goes as planned today. So pretty much today I'm going to be unboxing again, but that's going to be really swift. I'm going to make my infused oil and make a candle, maybe 2 candles today, just depending. So stay tuned, watch the whole video, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I am active and I do follow back. So I have a couple of packages here, you guys. So this is actually my labels, which I'm not going to show just yet because this is really just a blank label that I'm testing on the candle. So I'm not going to show these just yet, but everything else we're about to open and get into. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so remember my last video? I hope you guys watched it. Please subscribe and watch my last video. But the black little what do you want to call those, slinkies that I pulled out the box, this was actually what I ordered. And like I stated, this is a wick holder that you place on top of the candle that holds the wick in place. So I ordered bulk of these. And the next package, which is my Christmas outfit that I ordered, that I told you guys from the last video that did not come. I don't know if I should show you guys because I do want to take pictures and I possibly might do a YouTube video. I honestly don't know what this next one is. So okay, so these are, in my last video, I made a oopsie is what I'm going to call it. I stated that I had ordered wick holders. That is the silver things that I just showed. These are the wick stickers. So this is what places the wick right in the center of the jar, candle jar, mason jar, whatever you guys use to hold your wick into place, or whatever candle substance you use. This is what holds it down in the middle. And so remember I said I was winging it. This is how I'm going to get an exact candle that will burn evenly and equally. And then it was just some more of the, I'm guessing, the wick holders, the silver wick holders that I showed you guys. So I'm not going to open these. And then the final box is this one. So let's see. So along with me making and selling candles, I am going to make wax cubes. So, you know, the wax cubes are what you put on wax burners. And they always like come in a size, hold on, this is 2 together. They always come in a size of 6. So this is actually, you know, another product that I'm going to sell and make the candles with. So I'm super excited. Now I'm about to make, like I said, the infused coconut oil and a candle. So please stay tuned. So I bought a jar of coconut oil from Publix, as you can see. Just regular coconut oil, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. So we are going to add this into the level 2 machine. I've already put the herbs inside, and then I have a glass jar at the bottom to catch the oil. So right now, I know I need to get my tablespoons and my measurements together, you guys. I am not good with measurements, but I know what line I'm going to, so I really can't let you guys know the exact measurement of it all. Now I'm about to make the infused coconut oil. So with my candles, it will be coconut soy wax, but it will be infused with a herb. We're not going to get into too much details about the herb, but if you know, you know. So I've already packed it in this. First, let me discuss. This is a level 2 machine. This is what I unboxed in my first unboxing video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it right now. Like, comment, subscribe. So again, this is my level 2 machine that you use to make infused anything. But we're making coconut infused oil. So again, this is the herbs that I've already packed in. Now I'm about to add the coconut oil into the machine, and we are going to infuse this together. I wanted to get a close-up of this. So the level machine, like I stated, the jar that I have for the oil, that's the herbs right there in this little container, and then that is the coconut oil I put in there. I actually want to put less coconut oil. Last time I did this, you guys, well, the first time I actually used more coconut oil, so I wanted to use more less coconut oil this time to get more of a potent smell from the herbs. So I've already packed that in there like I showed you guys. So we're going to go ahead and close that now. Now we are going to press. And I think I did the last time activate, because we want to activate the herbs. 30 minutes, which it really honestly did not take 30 minutes. But I think I put up the temperature to about 275 was the highest. So I put it at 275. And now I'm going to press start, and we're going to see how this comes out. So it's still saying activating, and we are about 20 minutes, you guys. So I'm actually going to see if it releases, because the first time I did it, it released and it was actually good. I didn't have to wait the whole 30 minutes. So let's see what we get from me releasing it. Hopefully it's potent. I'm pretty sure the coconut already melted by now, so I don't think we need the full 30 minutes. So I press stop, and the oil is pouring out. It smells delicious. It's hot, but you guys see? So you see it's oil. I have it in a mason jar. Based on the sizes, because I do have measurements on here, this is about, I'll say, a half a cup. So the herbs I put in equaled out to an amount of a half a cup plus the coconut oil, and I don't need too much to put into the candle, so this is actually decent. Like, I can use this for multiple candles. So only if you guys could smell how this smelled. But anyway, I have my candle warmer warming up. This is what melts down the wax. Right now I am using Freedom soy wax, and I'm about to scoop it in my measuring cup. Pretty much full. On this side it says cup, and then this is ounces. So I think this is about 8 ounces and 1 cup. So let's pour it in. So now my wax is fully melted. So these are the stickers that I said will help with sticking the wick centered. So I have my 3 candles here, and we're going to stick the wicks down. Actually, my wicks are hemp wicks. So my candle is fully 100% natural and organic. But these are just testers, so these are just regular wicks. So I have all 3 candles with this wick centered in the wick container holding it. The wax is melting, and you see we are about I'm gonna say about 185. So I'm about to add the oils. Now the candle has got down to 135, so I'm going to pour this one into one of the jars. I'm gonna let that sit. So I'm finished making the 3 candles. Only 2 of them have herbs in them. The last one is just a regular candle, which I will sell herb infused candles and regular candles. So let me show you guys. This is what it looks like finished. the wicks centered in the middle with the wick holder. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I unboxed, I made infused oils, and I made 3 candles. So I'm letting you guys in to see how I do my small business. Fingers crossed, we gonna blow up. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share, it's all free. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And we will be back, of course, with another video.
Cut the cone. Cut the cone.